How to set up Stremio add-ons, full install and configuration. Today I'm going to show you how. Stremio is one of the easiest media centers to use because it organizes all your movies, shows, and streaming sources in one place. But to unlock its full potential, you need to set up add-ons. These are small extensions that connect Stremio to different content sources, allowing you to stream from official and community-based providers. The process only takes a few minutes and doesn't require any technical skills. First, open the Stremio app on your computer or mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, look for the puzzle-shaped icon in the top right corner. That's where you can manage add-ons. Click on it and you'll be taken to the add-ons catalog. Here you'll see two main categories, official and community. Official add-ons include sources like YouTube and public domain content, while community add-ons are created by users and may give access to additional streaming links. To install an add-on, simply click on it and select Install. Stremio will automatically connect the add-on to your account, no separate download or file setup needed. You can install as many as you like, but it's best to start with a few essentials such as the Pirate Bay, RARBG, or Open Subtitles for captions. Each add-on will display a brief description so you'll know what type of content it provides. After installation, go back to the home screen and test your setup by searching for a movie or TV show. If your add-ons are working correctly, you'll notice multiple streaming sources listed under each title. You can choose the one that offers the best quality or fastest playback. If you don't see any sources, double-check that your add-ons are active. To do this, return to the add-on catalog, scroll to the installed section, and make sure the toggle switch next to each one is turned on. You can also customize how add-ons appear by sorting them alphabetically or by popularity. This helps if you have many installed and want to keep things organized. If you want to remove an add-on, just open it again and click Uninstall. It will disappear immediately without affecting the rest of your setup. Once you've configured your add-ons, Stremio automatically keeps them updated so you don't need to reinstall them every time there's an update. To get the best performance, make sure your app version is current and that your internet connection is stable. That's all it takes to set up Stremio add-ons. With everything installed and configured, you'll have access to a wide range of content from different sources, all in one easy-to-use app.